Hi. Um, I need to send this. Box? Bag? Gift? I don't know. Help.
Sir, welcome to the post office. Don't worry, I'll help you ship it properly. How can I help you today?
I want to send this thing to my friend. He lives far.
So you want to ship a package?
Oh. Yes. Ship. Ship the thing.
No problem, let's start. Is this going in a package or an envelope?
What's the difference?
An envelope is flat. A package is a box.
Oh, mine is kind of a box. So package?
Yes, let's put it in a flat rate box.
Flat? But my box is not flat.
No, it's a type of box. Please write the recipient's address here and your return address here.
Return address? Why?
In case it can't be delivered, we send it back to you.
I don't want it back. It's a birthday gift. He must take it.
Still need the return address, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Is this domestic or international?
He lives in Canada. Is that domestic?
No, sir. That's international.
Oh, sorry. Geography is not my strong skill.
For international shipping, you need a customs form.
Custom? Like clothing?
No, sir. Customs means border control. What shipping service do you want?
Which one is cheapest?
Standard shipping. Slow but cheap.
Which one is fastest?
Express.
Let's do the one in the middle.
Priority mail. Good choice. Your total is $40. Do you want insurance?
Insurance? For my package?
Yes. If it gets lost or damaged, you get money back.
Oh. Good. Because I lose everything. Even myself.
Okay then, insured. Here is your receipt and tracking number.
Tracking number. I know this one. You can stock your box.
Track, sir. Track, not stock.
Today I learned a lot at the post office. Let's review. Ship a package. Envelope, package. Return address. Recipient address. Domestic, international. Customs form. Priority, express, standard. Tracking number. If you liked this lesson, hit like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, have you ever sent a package?